So I have a simple formula to remember that. We want to allow the plant to grow healthily. So we start with A, L, W, and G. Kind of like a short form for allowing. Allowing. So what's that? So air. This is air. Jangan pergi je. Air. L is for what?
Light.
Light. W?
Water.
Oh, mak.
Oh.
Tebuk juga dia ni. And?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Nutrien. Lagi satu.
G?
Gas. Gas tak
A
ada.
dah ada.
A dah ada.
O.
G? What? Gravity. Come on. Siapa dapat award ni tak payah datang kelas lah. Tapi kau salah aku maki lagi lah juga.
Dia satu perkataan ke dua perkataan?
Dua.
Medium.
Yes.
Oh, betul.
Growing medium. So these are the main categories for plant requirements. So each of these ada lagi dia punya anak-anak. What the heck? Air. Temperature. What else?
Humidity.
Yes, humidity. Or we usually call SRH. Right, relative humidity. I will tell you later. Apa benda-benda tu. What else?
CO2.
CO2 what? CO2 macam tu je. CO2 tu terapung macam tu. CO2 concentration.
Oh, okay. Oh, dia parameter.
Another one? Kind of like the last one. What else is it under that falls under air category? What do you have in there? Oxygen. Concentration. Okay. Now light. What do you have under light?
UV.
Sudah. Light. When you talk about light, what are the measures of light that you want to ensure your plants getting enough?
The wavelength.
Okay, wavelength. What do you call that?
Visible light.
Intensity. Like this.
Not exactly. Oh yeah, spectrum. So you have spectrum, or some people call it light quality. Okay, and then somebody just said intensity. There's another one.
Like intensity, like
Something to do why people in Cameron Highland turn on the light at night.
Ni.
Right.
Day.
like what wavelength?
Short day.
Eh, wavelength nak cerita habis.
Oh, okay.
Photoperiod.
Photoperiod.
Yes, photoperiod.
Photoperiod.
Okay.
Alright. And then water. What do you have under water? What is present in water that can influence the plant? The qualities or the properties of water that can influence the growth of plant.
Like H2O, hydrogen.
Hydrogen dah ada lah air dah.
Yelah. Electron.
Yeah. What do you call apa?
Hydrophilic.
From water, what can you measure from water? In the water. What information you can get from water?
pH.
Oh, something.
If you can get pH, what else can you get? If you do hydroponic, you're definitely going to measure this.
EC.
Yeah. What else? It's kind of overlap with air qualities. Yes. Temperature.
Oh, water temperature.
Yes, water temperature. You can measure water temperature, right? And O2 concentration.
Water.
Now, nutrient. What falls under nutrient? How do you want to control the nutrient? Or how do you want to know the nutrients are good enough for your plants? What can you control from the nutrient?
Concentration.
Yeah, what do you call that? It's not called concentration. The word still C. It's like the recipe of the nutrient.
Conductivity.
Aku kata huruf C dia terlalu huruf
Composition.
Yes, composition.
Composition.
Nutrient composition.
Yes.
Composition. And that's another one. That's part of under composition. This has something to do with, especially when you're dealing with fertilizer. You want to give the plants nitrogen. There are many forms of nitrogen that you can give. Okay. So what do you call that properties?
Availability.
Yeah, almost getting there. Getting there. It starts with P. I'm surprised if you know this. Not many know this. You know this thing. It's called purity.
Oh.
Okay. Sometimes the plant can absorb direct elemental,
element.
Yes. Sometimes, actually many times, that's not possible. The classic example would be nitrogen. Plants cannot absorb molecular nitrogen. No plants can suddenly absorb all this N2 in the air. But the plants can absorb nitrogen in the form of compounds. Like what? Ammonium,
Urea.
nitrate, nitrite. Okay? Alright, and finally, growing medium. So, what information that you can get from your growing medium that will influence your plants?
pH.
pH. No, that's underwater already.
Okay.
No. Why plants need growing medium? That's under this EC. Salinity.
To supply nutrient.
Oh.
Support.
To support.
Okay, to support. Okay. So in addition to being a support material, roots need what?
Aeration.
So for what? So we call it what do you call it? Air content? Something like that?
Or
Air content? Or maybe porosity, yeah. I mean, like there is no definite words for this, but you get the idea. Okay. What else? The growing medium,
air content.
especially for the seedlings. Seedlings, you do not need to provide this. You only have to provide this. So you can call this as
Support.
moisture.
Moisture.
Just the moisture. Okay. So that's pretty much it. Please tahu ini sampai mati.
Okay. InsyaAllah.
Sebab aku tak akan nak ajar orang. Aku pernah I mean, like, you deal with plants, right? So these are